Unlocking your dream jobs in 12 months in 2024. Machine learning and data science opportunities with 36 rupees LPA. In the dynamic landscape of 2024, the job market is evolving, and opportunities in machine learning and data science are skyrocketing. If you aspire to unlock your dream job within the next 12 months, particularly in these high demand fields, the journey promises not just career growth but also lucrative financial rewards with a potential 36 rupees LPA. **** The growing demand, ***. Industries are increasingly recognizing the power of machine learning and data science to make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. This has led to a surge in demand for skilled professionals who can harness the potential of these technologies. **** Key skills in demand, ***. 1. Machine learning expertise. Employers seek individuals proficient in machine learning algorithms, model development, and implementation for predictive analysis. 2. Data analysis and interpretation. The ability to extract meaningful insights from vast datasets and translate them into actionable strategies is a crucial skill. 3. Programming proficiency. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, R, and Java is essential for implementing machine learning models and data science solutions. 4. Problem-solving aptitude. Employers value candidates who can apply critical thinking and creativity to solve complex business problems using data-driven approaches. Certifications and courses. To boost your credentials and stand out in the competitive job market, consider pursuing certifications or courses in machine learning and data science. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer specialized programs that cater to various skill levels. Salary expectations. With the increasing demand for skilled professionals, the salary expectations in machine learning and data science roles have seen a significant rise. Individuals with the right skill set and experience can command attractive packages, with 36 rupees LPA being a realistic goal in certain positions. Career pathways. 1. Machine learning engineer. Develop and deploy machine learning models, work on algorithms, and collaborate with cross-functional teams. 2. Data scientist. Analyze complex datasets, derive insights, and contribute to data-driven decision-making within organizations. 3. Business intelligence analyst. Interpret data trends, create visualizations, and provide actionable insights to enhance business strategies. Job market insights. Stay informed about the latest trends and job opportunities in the machine learning and data science sectors. Regularly check job portals, industry forums, and company websites for updates on job openings and skill requirements. Conclusion. Unlocking your dream job in machine learning and data science within 12 months is an ambitious but achievable goal. Equip yourself with the right skills, stay updated on industry trends, and explore certification programs to enhance your employability. With the burgeoning demand for experts in these fields, 2024 holds promising prospects for those aspiring to thrive in the world of machine learning and data science. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।